Today I'm making homemade peach jam using frozen peaches. So you get the frozen peaches, don't need to wait for it to thaw or anything. Throw it into a pot on the stove top and put it on low heat until it starts putting out some juices. When the juices start filling up the pot, then you can turn it up and start boiling the fruit until it's cooked down more. And then we're going to add sugar. You're going to use about 1 cup of sugar for every cup of fruit that you have. And after we're done cooking it down, we'll check back in again. As you can see, I combined the sugar with the cooked down fruit, and now it's starting to boil. We're going to cook this for a little bit until it's reduced a little bit, and then we're going to do the next part. And now that it is making bubbles, you see these bubbles? They're erupting more like lava, and it's able to pass the gel stage. You see how it drips off in chunks? More like gel than liquid. Now the peach jam is done. We're gonna let it cool and tune for the next part. We're gonna make homemade peach Pop-Tarts. For this next part, you need phyllo dough and some melted butter. The phyllo dough is a flaky type of dough, and it comes in very thin slices. You have to put one at a time and butter it one at a time. So we're gonna use this pastry brush to brush butter on it. Alright, so we've buttered 5 layers of phyllo dough, and now we're gonna put in the peach jam into it, and then we're gonna butter 5 more layers of phyllo dough on top of that and put it in the oven. So the last 5 layers of phyllo dough have been buttered. Now it is ready to go in the oven. Remember, this is hot, so adults should do this part, not the kids. Alright, you're gonna put it in the oven, bake it for 15 minutes. We'll check back in 15 minutes. As you can see, my homemade Pop-Tarts are done. Now they're just cooling. I was gonna mix some glaze, but our powdered sugar expired. So this is gonna be a plain Pop-Tart.